Hi everybody, it's Jessica the Dollhouse Curator and welcome back to the Curated Dollhouse. So this video I wanted to take it back to the beginning and show you my DIY dresser space that I used to set up my dollhouses. For this space we put in 1x2s to create a full top floor. We use our temporary lights and then we use 2 pallet pieces. And then we also include foam boards so that we can get more space on the bottom and make it easier for us to put up pictures. And that enables us to make these amazing doll spaces and doll scenes that y'all see each week. So for this design, I wanted to go all out, over the top, elegant with whites and golds and colors and do an idea of my Barbie style. So we wanted to do a balcony in this area. I wanted to do a really nice, elegant living room. And then for the top floor to finish it off, we wanted to do a kitchen. So I used my white and copper kitchen. On the bottom floor, we did a bathroom and a bedroom area and a bonus space that I will show y'all. And y'all, the bathroom went through so many designs to get right. But here is our balcony where we've added in our calendar pieces and rock to make it look fun. We did try the rock in the bathroom, but we had to tweak it. The bedroom I made so many crafts for, and it came up together the quickest, honestly. And then here is this wonderful bonus space, which is the outside with the pool. I love this design. It has literally become my favorite dollhouse ever. I say that for every dollhouse, but y'all, I really do mean it. Each doll space that we try to do, I always try to push myself to a new level, and this one was no different. It turned out really, really well as we were going through and making the design. The pool and backyard area, with being able to figure out how to do a pool in this space, really was fun to figure out, as well as using different calendar pieces to make it feel like outdoorsy. The bedroom, I did textured walls and different crafts on the walls to make it feel elegant, and I used shower caddies for a closet. It worked out so well. And again, this bathroom was still a work in progress at this time. Here is the completed balcony with the lanterns, the plants. Here's the living room, just elegant with white, gray, and gold. The backyard, I used my yard pieces and put some fabric on it to go with the rest of the design. And again, y'all, it's my absolute favorite dollhouse. I also, as y'all see here, I also included some sliding doors. I did a total of 3 for this dollhouse, and I don't think you see them all in this video because y'all know once I make a video, I continue to tweak. So y'all will get more of that information in our Curator's Corner behind the scenes tour video, but the doors were so beautiful. And here we have some before and after pictures of the balcony. And then here's the after with Miss CLEO. The living room that started out kind of rustic and homey looking turned into this elegant white and gold and gray space. Loved it. The bedroom, as you see, started out as a true disaster and it turned into this. I love it with all of the texture and the colors. It's just beautiful. And the bathroom, we were able to finally get it together, and y'all, it blew me away. Look at this design. It was so beautiful. The backyard was no different, just from using that canvas to this design, with being able to include the lights and grass and what made to look like makeshift water. It really did well. And then here is the final view of the kitchen, which still love it. I love this kitchen. That white and copper is amazing. So here is our blank slate template that we start off with, and here is the final design for the CLEO Barbie Style dollhouse. This one is my absolute favorite. I stretched myself, I challenged myself, and I cannot wait for y'all to see the behind the scenes tour. So this has been Jessica the Dollhouse Curator. Y'all come back and visit anytime. Bye, y'all.